Can you see the white cranes? I don't know much about birds, so cranes, herons, egrets all look bright. Ten years ago, Cheonan City began to clean up the Cheonan stream and make the area around the stream bicycle paths and walking paths, and many residents are using this path. After stream maintenance, it became very clean and the surrounding environment became better to live in. I think wild dogs are gathered over there. They say there are molars, geese, and wild dogs that gather in Cheonancheon, and these birds look similar. The cold ice is gradually melting in the warm sunlight. Migratory birds who migrate to unfamiliar place and adapt to changed surroundings seem to have great vitality. But when the season changes again, these birds have to prepare to migrate again. Soon, winter will pass and the spring will come. Then, these winter migratory birds will move again. The sun is setting. It is going to be dark now.